After adding players to the team, you can begin planning the training process. Let's start by creating the first training session. Go to the calendar and click on Add Training. By default, a general training session is created for the entire group of players. However, you also have the option to create individual training sessions, such as for a group of injured players. Next, consider the training title, which will be displayed in the calendar. Specify the training time. Optionally, you can add the location, equipment requirements, or a description of the training. In the Player Notes section, you can include important information for the players to pay attention to. This field will be highlighted in their calendar view. Save the changes once you've filled in the details. The next step is to add exercises to your training session. If you currently don't have any exercises to add, there are a few options to address this. You can create your own methodology with exercises or request access to an already existing methodology from your colleagues. The UnderSports system offers a structured library of exercises with detailed illustrations and flexible settings. We will cover how to create your own methodology or gain access to an existing one in the following videos. For now, let's use the third option, which provides access to the demo methodology so that you can familiarize yourself with the system's functionality. Now you have access to the demo methodology, and users can have access to multiple methodologies simultaneously. This access is also displayed in the interface. To add an exercise to your training, simply click on it. All the exercises you have added will appear in the list. You can add more exercises as needed. Each exercise usually comes with a description and settings, and after adding it to the training, you can adjust specific settings for that particular workout. For example, you may want to perform one repetition of an exercise for 20 minutes. Save the changes accordingly. You can also rearrange the order of the added exercises using the arrows. Additionally, there is a checkbox to show or hide the exercise covers in the list. The training duration is the sum of all the exercises added to the training. You can remove an exercise from the training by clicking the cross icon. Save the changes, and in the next step, we will form squads for the training session. In the squad formation, you can mark players who will miss the training due to reasons such as injury, absence without a reason, training with the first team, or being invited to the national team. Players who are not present in the training session will be displayed at the end of the list. Save the changes to the workout using the provided button or the control key combination. If you need to involve a player from another team in the training session, such as having a player from Team 18 train with Team 19, you can use the Add Player from Another Team button. You can also remove a player from the training session if necessary. Save the changes. In the next step, we will form groups for each exercise. Select an exercise and add a group. You can choose a color for the group and drag players from the list who should be included in that group. You can add more groups as needed. If multiple groups should perform the exercise simultaneously, you can use the provided button to create another set of groups. Save the changes accordingly. Repeat the same process for other exercises. Once the training session is configured, you have the option to print the information to a PDF file. Customize the sections as needed. The PDF will include exercise illustrations in the formed groups. However, please note that all training information, exercise details, illustrations, groups, and timings are accessible to the coach through a convenient mobile application.